How long can we play our GTA 5 on our Android phone? Well, the reason why I make these videos this morning is because of some people who are speculating that playing GTA 5 on our Android phone is not real. Some are even saying it is a copy of a PC game. So in this video I'm going to show you some settings. At least I'm going to play a GTA 5 game on my Android phone with a processor of 8 Gen 2, which is Nubia Z50, for as many as I can. So I'm going to see if there will be a dip or the game is going to crash. I'm using Winlator 5.0 on my Android phone. So let's see if this can be real. Is it real or is it fake? As you can see, I'm playing this game at an average of FPS of 28, 25. Sometimes it goes up to 30, but because I'm recording on my phone, it's always go down. At least it's still playable. So let's see how far we can do it, how far we can play our game on our GTA 5. Guys, it is real. Winlator or Mobox or Fex Emulator or Thermobox or Box 86, they are real. In fact, these phones, this processor of these mobile chips, they are more powerful, more than some gaming PC. Yes. So this is just to show to the world that it is not a lie, because some people have been speculating that this is a lie, this is not real, this is So what are the settings which I use? If you don't know how to install your Winlator, you can kindly check my videos which I have made some months ago. So for the sake of this video, you can see the settings. So your performance, you are going to use performance unstable. So you are going to use the latest GPU driver, and for your container, you are going to check all the processor, check all the affinities. So from there you go to back buffer. That is very important. So, and again you go to your performance unstable, then you click OK, then you run. When you run, then you start your game. That is it. So I'm making this video for the sake of those people who are having doubts in their mind that Winlators or mobiles are not real. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, so, and follow me on more video, and check up the notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to see. Thanks. So let's enjoy the game's play once again.
Them payments is killing me.
Ain't
That's
seen you
all right.
forever.
Keep on going, dog. You hear me?
Peace to you. I hear that.
Hey. What's shaking?
Hey, yo, Franklin.
Now I gotta work 2 jobs.
Relax.
Get your hand out of my pocket.
Fuck around, lay around.
Yo, what's up?
Intellectual thug
My
is
shit.
victorious.
Yes, fuck! Say, homeboy, you drunk? Watch where the fuck you go. Oh, shit.
Hey, man.
Oh, fuck.
Bitch ain't shit.
out for fools like me. You a dumbass driver!
I'm a professor, and these misses my teaching tools. Come on, motherfucker.
Man, you ain't about shit.
What are you, a lifeguard? You think you're saving my life by telling me to put it out, you dick? Excuse me.
You couldn't even bench press my dick.
What the fight? Fuck.
What's up, my dude?
Hello. That deals in dollars?
Oh, come on.
Really? No me jodas.
You're my bitch now.
Cocksucker! You got lucky, buddy. Hey, what's going on, brother? Forgive me. Oh, you screwed up my car.
Can I get a cop out here now? I don't know.
Ah, crap.
Dispatch, we are in the area.
Look out! Look the fuck out!
Hey, yo! Yeah, this is good. Keeping myself out of trouble. Bitch, nigga, I will shoot you. Get the fuck away from me.
Hey, you selfish prick!
Oh, shit! Where them bitches at? To beat your ass? Stop looking at me.
Oh, hey, Mike.
Oh, you want to see how
Where you turn up from? Should we get a drink?
You got any extra money, please? Sounds good, F.
Yo, what's happening? Oh, you talking to her again?
This is cool, man.
Yeah, dog, for sure.
Yeah, you know, I ain't got that many friends left.
As a stick-up dude, that gotta come with the job, right? I mean, all your dudes gotta be in jail or dead.
Well, you know...
They are? Dog, I'm sorry.
Yeah, they brought it on themselves. Yeah, I don't really think about it. And, you know, look, there's other guys I can hang out with. But I usually just stay home watching movies, and then you haven't called them for a while, and...
I get it, dog. Life.
Yeah, life.
Hey, keep your eyes open and your ear to the ground, okay? How you doing? Yoga's for chava.
What?
Woo, man, I'm loaded.
I'm fine.
Yeah, if we could just get some blow. That would straighten me right out.
Oh, Jesus. You really are lost in the 80s time warp.
Fuck you. Anyway, I don't do
Good. It's a loser's drug anyway.
Yeah, I don't need that shit to feel bad about myself. I got family for that now.
I hear you, man. I'm fucked as a motherfucking drunkard. Hey, we close to a skin joint, homie. Girls are always fun.
Pill, so I can give you a deep dicking. You didn't talk that way.
Well, fuck you too, motherfucker.
You fucking with a Marine, son. I boxed in the Marines.
Man, I got my house on that. There's a time when I got